There are two types of pressure. There's external pressure and there's internal, right? So let's talk about external. Your boss, why haven't you made calls? Why haven't you made sales? Why haven't you done this, right? Your parent, don't touch that hot stove. Don't do this. Eat your vegetables. Internal pressure. I have a goal where I want to be at, and I know that I'm going to reach that by making X amount of dollars, putting X amount on my bank account, reinvesting blank. So I know that each call I make this many calls, this many people show up, this many people are going to close, and this is how much I'm going to make off of it. That's internal pressure. You're doing it for something internal, right? Like, so we're trying to get some internal pressure because our clients won't be successful unless it's in them to want to change. Like leaders will grab somebody, right? You saw the rope and they'll pull them. Leaders aren't from the back like pushing people. You're leading from the front, you're guiding them, and their internal pressure is like, you're saying, hey, here's the direction, and then that internal pressure just moving them along with you. So we need to get internal pressure because they're not going to be successful. There's no way that we can take somebody who's failed for 10 years at 15 other weight loss programs, right? There's no possible way that we can take that person and force them to weigh in every week and force them to go to workouts and force them to eat healthy. They'll get okay results, but they're not going to get amazing results. They're not going to change their life, and it's not going to be a lifelong change unless it comes from here out.